They're going to find the boat of their dreams. They're going to come in my office and they're going to do the same exact thing. They're going to get the same customer experience. They're going to get the same Captain Keith, and they're going to have the same fun on the water.
Hey Al, I know we both like baseball, but I'm going to give you a basketball little thing here. Here's a layup for you,
Oh, okay, great.
All right. Can you finance a used boat, and what's that process look like?
Oh, absolutely you could finance a used boat. In fact, we take in quite a few trades and we do finance them. So that's absolutely wonderful. But the financing on a used boat, Keith, is no different than a new boat, right? A family comes in, they look at a new boat, right? They come into my office, they fill out a credit application. I run them to the bank, I get them approved rather quickly. And before you know it, they're in Captain Keith's corner, ready to get on the boat and enjoy and get on the water. In addition to, a used boat, it's the same process, right? They're going to find the boat of their dreams. They're going to come in my office and they're going to do the same exact thing. They're going to get the same customer experience. They're going to get the same Captain Keith, and they're going to have the same fun on the water. So it's no different. In fact, we encourage people to come see our inventory, as we have both pre-owned and we have new boats here at MarineMax.
All right. That's it, guys. Everything and anything underneath this roof, any of our MarineMax stores, we can do it all for you. Like I've said many times before, we got all the resources in the world. Hopefully you come in, find a boat of your dreams, and I'll get my hands on you. We'll go out, we'll go boating, and then we'll see you guys out on the water.